guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Nasio store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging, and when you open it up, it also has this card. This hair comes with 8 packs of hair with a total of 16 strands in each pack, and it looks like this. So these are their Goddess box braids. So this is the braid, and each braid has 3 strands of curly hair. So 2 throughout the braid and 1 on the end of the braid, and the hair is about $40, and it comes with a total of 128 strands of hair. And it also comes with this crochet hook. So this is their 14-inch hair. Seems pretty true to length, and the braids seem pretty neat. Can you see that? And my hair is already braided in the braid pattern that I'm going to use. This braid pattern is about 3 days old. I used it for a previous spring twist crochet style, which I'm going to link in the description below. But I took them out after 3 days, and I decided that I'm going to use this braid pattern for this hair. I could have redid the whole braid pattern, but I really just didn't feel like doing that. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do a side part. So I have these braids right here, which are individual braids, and then I just connected them to the braids going along the side of them, and I braided them straight back. So the rest of the braids are just going straight back, and then I sewed up the remaining ends, and I sewed them up like so with my sewing needle and thread. I used this Shine Jam on my roots, and then I used this Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my braids. And if you want to see the process of me braiding this braid pattern, just make sure to watch that video. So I'm a little more than halfway done now, and I want to show you what I have so far. The hair is very soft, and it is synthetic hair, so I'm just trying to be careful when I am crocheting the hair and not frizz up or tangle these curls. And I have about 3 packs of hair left now, and I want to show you an example of how I crochet the hair. I take the Goddess box braid that I want to work with, and I open up the loop. These are a little harder to open up. The loops are a little smaller, nothing too crazy, but you can't like stretch it that much because it's the braid underneath. It's easier with a twist or a lock, but it's doable. So I just insert my crochet hook where I want to put the braid. I hook the loop onto the crochet hook, and I just pull it through. Then I open it up and I put the braid through. Now I just start at the top a little bit above where the curly strand is, the first curly strand. I just think it's easier to pull it through that way, and my chances of tangling the hair are less. So then I do it like that, and then I just tighten it a little, and there you go. almost done my hair, and I just want to show you how I crochet on the individual braid part. So this is the last part I have left. I'm going to crochet 2 braids on it. So the first one is going to be at the very top where the part looks like it's at. Like that, and just tighten it. Then the next one is going to be crocheted in the center of this braid, so right here. And I am all done. Let me show you. The hair is really full and I actually really like it. I've never done a crochet with braids before, so something a little different, but I think it's cute. I'll probably only keep this in for about a week, but I'm interested to see how these curls are going to hold up and whether they're going to tangle or frizz up or something like that. And it also took me about 2.5 hours to crochet the hair end, so that's not too bad. Oh, and I can't remember if I mentioned this or not, but I used every single Goddess box braid that came with the hair. So all of the braids are in my head. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other type of videos you want to see from me, including locks, crochet, braids, wigs, natural hairstyles, anything. Just let me know, and thanks for watching. Thank you.